How to dismantle the cosmological argument. Have you ever wondered how to effectively challenge the cosmological argument? This argument claims that everything must have a cause, ultimately leading to a first cause, often identified as God. Let's break down how to approach this from a secular perspective. First, consider the causal principle. The cosmological argument assumes that everything that begins to exist must have a cause. However, modern physics shows that some events, like those in quantum mechanics, can occur without clear causes. This raises questions about whether the universe itself needs a cause in the traditional sense. Next, let's talk about the idea of infinite regress. The argument suggests that an infinite series of causes is impossible. Yet, many philosophers and scientists argue that the universe, or even a multiverse, could be eternal or cyclic. This means we might not need a first cause at all. Now, even if we accept that the universe has a cause, we must ask, does that cause have to be the God of classical theism? The cosmological argument often jumps to this conclusion without sufficient evidence. The first cause could be something entirely different, like a set of physical laws or a quantum vacuum. Another point to consider is the special pleading involved in exempting God from needing a cause. If everything else requires a cause, why is God the exception? If God does not need a cause, then why can't the universe itself be uncaused? Furthermore, the cosmological argument tries to explain why there is something rather than nothing by introducing a first cause. However, this merely pushes the question back one step. We still need to ask, why does that first cause exist? The argument does not provide a satisfactory answer to this fundamental question. Lastly, we should highlight the naturalistic explanations available today. Modern cosmology and physics offer theories like the Big Bang and quantum fluctuations that explain the universe's existence without needing a supernatural cause. These frameworks provide compelling alternatives to the cosmological argument. By addressing these key points, you can effectively challenge the cosmological argument. This approach encourages a reasoned critique that aligns with a secular worldview, favoring evidence-based reasoning over theological claims.